In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix X or Twitter not loading on iPhone. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is check your internet connection by switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data because slow or unstable network often stop the app from loading. Next, make sure the app is updated by opening the App Store, search for the app X, and tapping update if available since older versions can break after new system updates. Next, first close the app. Firstly, launch the X app. Now swipe up, remove the app, again relaunch it. With these, your problem might be fixed. Also, you can restart your iPhone to clear temporary system bugs. If the issue continues, launch Settings. Go to General, then click on the option iPhone Storage. From the list of apps, find X and launch it. Now click on Offload app. Click on Offload app again to confirm it. Then click on Reinstall it. This will refresh all the files. Finally, if nothing works, it may be a temporary server issue from X, so waiting a little while and trying again later can also help. And that's it. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.